out the beautiful Ikea. Oh my god, oh my god.
I want it.
I didn't see you there. Today we're going to be drinking some wine.
But there's nothing in there.
There's going to be.
Oh. This is her pantry. It's really great. And you can see other people's kitchens from here. She has a great view, as you can tell.
Yeah, I have some nice angels.
With some rice and cocoa beans. And
Yeah.
got it. Yeah, it's a great
I
place.
got it all.
It's great. I mean, you do have it all, girl. What you eating there?
Chicken tenders, fries, cake, Coke.
Good job. Uni's having salad. I'm having the same. Maybe you need a snack, Sam.
I'm so hungry. Maybe I need some dragon fruit. Want to know what my favorite season is? Autumn.
You know what my favorite season is? Summer. Can you lend a hand? My favorite person in the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills is Lisa Vanderpump.
Oh yeah.
Drop that.
A life. That's all I got. That's all I got.